Give up on me, and then we'll meet. I can feel your war in my glacial bones. Too many flags, none on the flagpole. Gardens running out of Eden streams, beaded cities of copper and gold. Whispers of canyons in these hollow mountains. 8 billion doors to the room beyond description. How the past falls from our pockets into telepathic lakes. How dark stones dissolve in King Midas' alchemy. To ride the crescent moon into a land of pearls. Pen painting outside the lines, paintbrush writing within. Acacia gardener gathers cubes of earth for Harmonia, whose necklace spills sonnets on her eightfold path. Long distance chants of reconstruction, your million voices and fields across now. Passage to universe springs, I have no borders for this. Old nations sleep on doorsteps. Old passions wish stars out of constellations. Fertile hands and urban soil. Aurora arrived in meteors and jewels, sunrise in one hand, tombstone in the other. Fabricating Los Angeles on rivers of minutes, filling my aura with all that is. Studied the beyond at daybreak school. Removed all lenses to stare at the sun. Murmuring darkness gradually shines, blazing radiantly between all words. Baked time capsule, cemetery medicine, cruelties smudged on earth mural. Cumulonimbus streets lit only with rhythms. Swallow arrows when lost. Heaven breaks when nourished by revolution. Closing daybreak canceling sunset. Not news unless crying colors.